If you are wondering how you can use castor oil, there are many ways it could be useful for health and beauty. Many people may choose to go without the flannel when it comes to using a castor oil pack. But before I get into the best way to make use of a castor oil pack, let's first discuss ways to benefits from the vegetable oil. What is castor oil? It is the residual oil obtained from the castor beans when it is refined. It appears colorless with an occasional pale yellow color with a taste and odor you can't ignore. It serves numerous applications in the kitchen and also for therapeutic medicine. You could also find castor oil as one of the main additives in household products such as paints and cleaning products. But when it comes to the packs without the flannel, there is only one right way to use it. But first, what is the castor oil pack without flannel? Castor oil pack without flannel. Mostly used as a DIY remedy for specific health conditions, the castor oil pack helps get the emollient into the skin pores. This will help with speeding up treatment for certain skin and facial conditions. And when done correctly, it could provide quick relief from acne, blackhead, and the treatment of surface wounds. Ideally, the pack is a piece of cloth, usually a wool material soaked in castor fat that you can easily use on the skin at night. It could also help with digestive problems and relieving blood circulation issues. Why you shouldn't use flannel? Most people would prefer a dense material like cotton flannel as it soaks up the oil. But there is also the issue that it may not benefit most of the oil soaked up in the flannel cloth. It could take more time to get absorbed through the skin pores. So what is the right way to use the castor lubricant without flannel? We'll get right into that shortly, but first, let's talk about the benefit of the vegetable emollient for the skin and face. How to make castor oil pack without flannel. It is easy to choose an alternative material to cotton flannel. But this is where most people find it difficult. Which is the best material to use in place of cotton flannel for a castor oil pack? While there are many options to choose from, you can find below some of the best alternatives to flannel cotton. Unbleached wool, bath sponge, corduroy, denim. Ideally, any other fabric free from non-toxic chemicals in them could work when choosing the best alternative to a cotton flannel. And if you need one that would work for a DIY castor oil pack, you want to consider how well it can absorb the oil. After choosing your alternative material, the next step is to get into the preparation. And to do this, you want to start by acquiring the best quality castor oil around. For the purpose of this preparation, we will be making use of unbleached wool. What do you need? Unbleached wool, castor oil, clean bowl, plastic paper, scissors, tongs. Preparations. You should start by cutting the wool into medium-sized rectangular sheets. A 10 inches by 8 inches measurement should be just right. You will need to cut out 5 separate sheets to make the pack. Next, pour the castor oil into the clean bowl, and then dip the sheets into the bowl one at a time until they are soaked. Make use of the tongs to get the sheets out of the bowl and lay them on the plastic paper. Repeat this for other sheets, and each time pile them on top of the other until you get to the last. Once done, you can then make use of your castor oil pack for abdomen or skin treatment. How to use castor oil packs. For the best effect, you could choose to do the treatment before going to bed to influence better sleep. But any other time should be adequate. Next, place the already prepared castor oil pack on the affected area. The abdomen would be best for a stomach problem, while the face or skin is ideal for beauty therapy. Use a plastic sheet to cover the wet wool, and then place a heating pad or hot water cup on top. This will help with speeding up the oil absorbing through the epidermis into the circulatory system. You can leave this for 30 minutes. Once done, you can preserve the packs by keeping them in the preparation bowl and refrigerate them. When correctly done, you can use it up to 30 times before the oil pulls out. Final note. You'll find castor oil to be useful for many skin and beauty therapy. It would also aid in solving related digestive conditions. And if you want the best alternative material to flannel when making the DIY castor oil pack, you'll find all the information you need in this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.